Hello and welcome to SweetPea Tutoring. I'm your host, Miss Wemi, and on today's lesson we're going to talk about the short A sound. So here's a capital A and here's a lowercase a. And the short A sound makes the a as in apple. Can you say apple? Apple. Very good. So our next word is actually part of a word family. We have bat, cat, mat, and rat. Each time we just change the first letter to a different letter and the back letters are the same. So the letters at the end are A and T. So with bat, we have the at sound, bat. Same thing with cat, cat. Next word, mat, mat. Last one in our word family, rat, rat. Next we have some more short A sound words. We have cap, cap. Then we have man, man. Next one, van, van. And our last friend is pan, pan. Be sure to tune in for more lessons on phonics with Miss Wemi of SweetPea Tutoring. See you next time.